The things I get myself into. I never said I would do tractors, and here I am in the middle of a snowstorm, nonetheless, doing tractors and selling tractors.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yeah. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. You always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Hey, what's up guys? Another episode of Pate's Forums. We are in the middle of a storm. I need to get these tractors out of here. Somebody's supposed to be coming for it this weekend. They are coming from Connecticut. They are absolutely fearless of this weather. That is the spirit of people from Connecticut. If he doesn't come, we have another guy who was supposed to come 2 weeks ago, ghosted me, and was very adamant on picking it up tomorrow. So we shall see, weather pending, if that is the case. Nonetheless, we need to prepare ourselves for what is to come. This thing is covered in snow and ice. Damn it. And we just need to make sure this thing starts. And then I will do my best to cover it up and get it running. This machine has no rims and tires on it because when I bought it, they had 2 different colors. So that machine is being sold as is, not for sale yet, but I need to get that out of the way and get this into the light. So, engine's pretty good for not covering it. And this is where we are. God, man, I don't know. And then here, no tires on this thing. You can see that axle right there, completely empty. And then on top of that, I've had 2 other people reach out to me for emergency service, but this one tractor leaving here is very, very important to me. Not the money, not the money, not the money. I told them that I am at work and I will get back to you if I can, because technically I am working. We're cranking. That's a good thing. Come on, baby. I smell gas. Yes. Hey, hey. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. You good boy. Come on. Come on. Level it up. Just get out of your hole. We gotta blow this. Gotta get all this snow out of the way. The things I get myself into. I never said I would do tractors, and here I am in the middle of a snowstorm, nonetheless, doing tractors and selling tractors. That is the epiphany of that. Now, I do have my pressure washer hose on. I did not turn off my water this year because it was very, very mild. But I've been very good in the sense that I've been draining my pressure washer out and the hose. So we should not have any issues. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I had a couple of tractors that I just wasn't able to get to this year. And I'm like, you know what? I don't want to hold them. So I put them up for sale as is. And they sold. So what sucks about this is I wanted to polish these axles and grease them just because. Even though this tractor is being sold as is, I want to try and do the right thing. Now it's literally just a quick little grease job and then slide the tire on and hopefully this thing starts and gets it out. This thing had a little bit of a starting issue. It's delayed. You turn the key and it's like, it's not instant like your car or like that tractor. The starter then catches and goes. So I don't know if it's a battery connection issue or whatever. I haven't looked at it. Let me go get my tires. Some Lucas Red and Tacky. We also have this for sale on the Mrs. Pate's Performance website. The link will be in the description. Alright, that's the only shameless plug we're gonna have in this video. Unlike other channels, we don't ask you for donations or money. We don't ask you to buy us things. What we're asking you is maybe to buy something and then we give you something. You know, it's not just you're handing us money. Mrs. Pate's Performance and I have worked very, very hard to get to where we are now in general in life. And the same thing with these products that we're offering to sell, the vendors that we're working with to get the best prices for you so that we remain competitive compared to others in the market. Now, does this need to go up higher? This looks like a terrible angle. All right. Now this side is pretty good. The other side has a lot of, I'm such in a rush. I'm trying to do the right thing. I'm trying to do the wrong thing in the sense that, oh, please don't show me my butt crack. I should just be sliding this tire on, but no, that's not the case. I want to slide the tire on, spin it. There goes my microphone. That's now going to be covered in grease. I want to spin it to make sure the grease works itself all the way around. And then put the keyway in. Come on, just grease up this shaft nice and good. Behave for me. Work this all the way in. And you see how cold this is? Right? It's freezing out. And look how malleable this Lucas Oil red and tacky grease is. It is still doing its job. Now the reason why I'm pointing that out is I talked to Jake over at Eliminator Performance a lot, including his dad. They are a great father-son team, even though the old man does all the work, and I'm convinced Jake just sits there with his glasses on and takes all the credit. Jake was talking about how gearbox grease is 0.0. That is the weight of it. Okay? And I do not use 0.0 grease. If your snowblower takes oil instead of grease, I'm not putting oil back in there. You're getting grease. And the reason why is grease was something that was originally in gearboxes and chains many years ago. A long time ago. What is this? Manufacturers switched to oil from grease. Some, not all. Then they switched back. And then they switched back again. So now, no matter what the machine calls for, it gets grease. Now, why is that? Well, oil leaks, right? You have a lot of people who have a snowblower and they go out to it, right? Come on. And they have a leak. Grease is a lot thicker, so it's not going to leak. Well, it is going to leak, but it's not going to leak at the rate that you find grease coming out. Grease is just going to fling itself all over the place. Oh God. Oil is going to drip and fling all over the place. So if you look at older machines like Snapper, so Snapper gear cases for the drivetrain were a set of sprockets and gears in a case covered in grease. They had Zerk fittings. Now if you're too old for that, which I am, But when you watch channels like Musty One, okay, when he worked on that snapper, everything was covered in grease. He had a drivetrain issue, and it was supposed to be covered in grease. Over time, it was never serviced. Water got in, rusted, and broke the chain, which how he ended up on his channel for that fix. Well, I think it was thrown in a scrapyard or given away, and he ended up with it. That is all grease. And then, come on, where are you? E-clip, where? Right there. My hands are starting to freeze. I wonder why. Why your hands freezing? Because I don't want to get greasy gloves. Come on. Shit. Is it in here? No. Where's the other grease cap that I had? Oh, no. Tell me I didn't make this worse. We had 2 grease caps. Shit. Alright, forget it. Eye on the prize. Eye on the prize. Let's just get this on. Crap! Hey. Where are you, E-clip? Talk to me. Talk to me. And of course, just like a Tesla, when it's cold out, your battery life is absolutely atrocious. Just imagine me stroking the shaft with a very, very healthy amount of grease, and then I can't feel my fingers. I'm officially touching the shaft, and I feel nothing. Where'd you go? This one's easy. Unlock it. Release the pedal. We're on the ground. Come on. Oh, there we go. Little muscle. All right. You go away. And let's see what we have here. He said he had an issue with the choke. This battery is only 2 years old. Come on. Come on. Does this thing have a valve issue? Or is the starter weak? Let's give this thing some juice and we'll go from there. Like I said, when I bought this thing, the guy's like, oh, I had a problem with the choke. And I said, you turn the key and there was a delay. Turn the key and then the motor would slowly and miraculously turn over. Yeah, so the battery is 68%. The voltage is low. Let's hit this thing with some starting voltage. Yeah, this thing has either a weak starter or bad valves. Not bad, weak starter, or the valves need to be adjusted. This thing is saying ready. This thing isn't spinning fast enough. Here you go. Watch ice melt. I gotta make room. I'll never do lawn tractors. Maybe I should have stuck to never doing lawn tractors. Come on, baby, don't get rev happy on me. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Oh, yes. Alright, let's give this thing a quick BJ. Alright, so what I want to do now is just check the blades. That's low, that's low. Alright, we're good. We're good. I'm happy. Let's tuck this baby away. I really should adjust the deck on this, but let's see what tomorrow's weather brings. Key off. Oh, come on, big boy. That's one of my biggest struggles with these covers, is that I could tighten them all I want and I'm not happy with them. They always come off. I feel like either A, I'm doing it wrong, which I never know, it's possible, but there have been times where I've made these things super tight, you know, by pulling the cord and the cord rips and breaks. Try and cover this as much as we can. See, and that's another thing we deal with, is wind. The wind comes out from underneath this thing. What would do this cover a lot of justice for me is if these came with like holes and you could do like bungee cords and just tie these down to something. Right, this thing is good to go. I gotta clean up and go answer these people about getting the snowblower fixed. Emergency service on the way. Shoot this guy a message saying this thing is good to go. He can come tomorrow, I hope. And smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Guess what? I'll see you guys in the next episode of Patsy's Performance. Thanks for hanging out with me into this crazy, crazy storm. Tell me about you selling lawn tractors in the middle of a snowstorm. Later.